Hi, Katri. Good
Hello.
morning. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Teacher.
Teacher Lilibet. Somebody will say Teacher Muna. Teacher Lilibet. Okay? Okay. So are you, we have here Marine. Hi, Marine. How are you, Marine? What is that? Wow. What is that? That is a sharpener. It's very nice. So we have here Marine, Papa, Bea, Baiboa, and Oi. Okay, welcome to our online class. And we are now in what subject? You know? We are in our science. Science. Oh, very good, Marine. Yes, very good. So for our science, have you print the worksheet that I sent? The one that says color the picture. Have you print it? You have it? Can I see? I want to see that one. You have to prepare that one. Have you print? I sent you a worksheet that it says color the picture. Papa, have you printed? Papa, you print it? The worksheet that I said color the picture. You have it? You have it? You prepare that one. You have? Can I see it? I want to see it. Yes, that one, Oi. That one, Oi. That one. That is for our topic for today. Okay. Oh, you finished? Okay, very good. Okay, that one. That is what I'm talking about. So you have to prepare that one. But if you don't have it, I sent it in our line. I sent it already in our line. If you don't have that one, if you did not print that one, you can draw that picture. You can say in our, you can check in our line and draw that picture. If you don't have, you can just draw that picture. Okay? You draw. You can just draw it. Yes. I know you are very good in drawing. You can do it. Okay? You draw it and color the picture. Okay. Now let us continue. Let us start now. I want you to look at this one.
I have picture already.
You have?
Yes.
If you can print it, if you can print that one, that would it will lessen your work. If you don't have, if you cannot print it, you have to draw that one, okay? Because some of you cannot go out yet. I know you, some of us cannot go out yet. Okay, let us start. So we have this one. I prepared this one for you. This is describing places. We know you need to help me. We need, all of us need to help this chicken. Have you seen the chicken here? Let us help the chicken describe the places, because this chicken, well, you want to go with the chicken? You want to go with the chicken? Let us go to the chicken today, okay? Let us go where the chicken will go today, and let us describe the places. Okay, let us describe. For our topic for today is describing places. Describing places. Okay, this is our topic for today. Now let's start. Okay, let us help the chicken. The chicken is asking, where am I? The chicken is asking, where am I? What is this place? Okay, you have to tell the chicken, you are in a desert. Okay, the chicken now?
Desert.
Yes, you are in a desert. Okay, let us help the chicken, okay? Because the chicken will go anywhere.
You are teacher.
Yes. Okay, next one. Look at here.
เห็นไหมบอกให้รีบเขียนไม่เขียนอ่ะ
Are, is it dry or wet or with places? Dry or wet? Have you seen this one? This one is dry. Dry place. This place is dry. These search are dry places. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, the chicken is asking again. Where am I? Where am I? You know this place? You are in a village. Okay. You are in a village.
พี่ดิด
Okay, so one, you are in a village. Chicken now is in a village. Okay. Okay, so look at here. Villages are noisy. Is it noisy or peaceful places? You can noise, noisy or peaceful? Noisy.
People.
No. Villages are peaceful places. Peaceful places. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next example. Okay. Where is the chicken now? Where am I? The chicken is asking again. Where am I? What is this place? You can describe that place? Okay, you tell the chicken, you are in a beach. Can you say it? You are in a beach. Okay, you have to answer the chicken because the chicken is keep on asking the place. Okay? Now you are in a beach. Okay, now let's go to this one. Beaches are usually sandy or rocky places. Answer here. Sandy? Sandy or rocky? Sandy. Very good. The answer here is sandy. Okay, beaches are usually sandy places. Okay, sandy. So you see this one? Okay, now let's go to the next one. You know this place? The chicken goes where? Where am I? The chicken is asking again, where am I? This place is? Okay, you have to answer the chicken. You are in a forest. You are in a forest. Okay, the chicken goes anywhere, right? Oh my God, the chicken goes anywhere. And now the chicken goes to the forest. Okay, and the forest is, look at this, forests are, is it dry or wet places? Forest, is it dry or wet? Is it dry or wet? You have to answer first. Answer, is it dry or wet? Wet. Good. Forest are wet places. Okay? Wet places. Where am I? Where am I? Okay, what is this place? You can describe this place? Oh, but the chicken is going anywhere. Oh my God. You are in a big city. Can you say? Can you tell me? Okay, you have to answer the question of the chicken. Okay, you have to say to the chicken, you are in a big city. Okay, you have to read this one. Look at this one. You are in a big city. Yes. Yes, the chicken now is in a big city. Okay, look at this one. Big cities are, is it noisy? Places. Is it noisy places or peaceful? Is it, what is the answer here? Peaceful. No. This one is noisy. Okay, noisy. The big city are noisy. Places. Okay, because let's go this one.
แถวไว้
Okay, where am I? It's asking again, where am I? What is this place? You can tell it?
อันนี้อะไรเนี่ย
You are in
West.
a park.
Oh.
Can you read it? Can you read it?
โอ้ย
Yes. You are in a park.
You are in a park.
Yes. Very good. This one is a park. This place is park. Okay. Parks are. Okay, you have to answer this one. Parks are beautiful places,
Palace.
beautiful places, or ugly places?
Beautiful and
Beautiful. Have you seen this one? The park is beautiful. Okay, beautiful
เขียนไว้อันนี้เขียนดี
places.
beautiful.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's go. Oh my God. Where did the chicken go
Oh my
now?
God.
Where am I?
เดี๋ยวครูต้องมีแผนมาให้เราเขียน
Where am I? You know this place?
เชื่อยายเถอะ
You are in a mountain. So can you tell me again?
You
You
are
are
in
in a mountain.
You are the
เมื่อไหร่ก็เขียนไปเถอะ
You
แล้วให้จำได้
are in a mountain. Okay, all of you answer here first. All of you open your
เร็ว
mouth. Okay, I want to see your mouth open. Okay, you have to read. Okay, you are in a mountain.
You are in the mountain.
You have to answer what the chicken is asking. Okay, now let's go to this one. Mountains are
Mountain are
hot or cold places. Is it hot or cold?
cold.
What? Answer here. What is the answer here? Hot? Hot places or cold places? This one is
Cold places.
yes, this one is cold. Okay, very
Yeah,
good.
I need
This
to
one
know.
is cold places. Mountains are
Oh,
cold places. Can you read this one?
ลงตรง
Mountains,
ไว้
red.
Red.
Okay, come on now. Mountains are
แล้วก็เขียนตามไปทั่ว เขียนเป็นช่องๆไปดีๆ
cold places. Cold places. Okay. Okay, look up here. This one.
ใช่ไหมเนี่ยมาดู
This one. You know this place? Oh, the chicken goes here now. Where am I? The chicken is asking again. You know this place?
ฟังครูพูด
You are. Can you say that?
You are
In a theme park.
on the pizza.
You are in a theme park.
You are in the cheaper.
In a theme park. Okay. You are in a theme park. Oh, the chicken goes anywhere.
เขียนอะไรต่อเขียนเลยตอบว่ายังไง
Is it amazing or boring places?
คิดว่าไหนถูก
Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. Very good. Theme parks are amazing places. Okay? Okay. Look at here. Ooh,
บอกแล้ว
where
มันไม่รีบ
am I? Can you tell the place of the chicken now?
ใคร
Okay, you are
You
in
are
the
in
jungle.
cold.
Yes, very good. The chicken now
เอามาอ่าน
is
ให้
in
ฟัง
jungle.
เพื่อนเธอฟังครูพูด
You are in a jungle.
พูดดิ
You are in the jungle.
Okay, very good. Look at this one. Jungles are,
เตรียมเขียน2ตัวนี้อะไรมันถู
is
ก
it sunny or
Sunny.
shady?
เขียนไว้เลย
Sunny.
เลย
Sunny?
Shaky.
Sunny is wrong.
Shaky.
Shady, very good.
นี่เขียนเนี่ย
Jungles are shady places.
เร็ว
Okay?
ๆดีไว้
Okay, now let's go to this one. Oh my God, where is this place?
เฮ้ยนั่น
Where am
เขียน
I?
ก่อนทีหลังอะ
Okay, the chicken now goes to.
Good.
Oh, you are in a dump.
You are in a
dump. The chicken now goes to a dump place. Okay, this one is a dump place. Okay, look at this one. Dumps are, is it
เตรียมเขียน
dirty
อัน
or
ไหนถูกเตรีย
clean?
ม
Dirty.
ที่
Dirty, very
เตรียม
good.
เขียนอันไหนถูกอย่า
Dirty.
รีบเลย
Dumps are dirty places.
ดู
Okay.
ด้วยว่าตัวอะไรรีบไปไหม
Dumps are dirty places. Okay, now let's go
The
to this one.
dirty dust.
Dirty places. Now let's go to.
Dirty dust.
Oh,
อุ้ย
the chicken goes
ขอไฟ
where?
ดูเก่า
Where's the
ได้
chicken?
Where am I
You know where's the
ที่นี่
chicken
ที่ไหน
now?
ที่นี่ที่ไหน
ก็อันใกล้
The chicken goes where? What place is that? You gonna describe this place?
ภูเขาไฟ
Huh? What is this place? Have you seen this?
Fire.
Mountain fire. Look at this one. You are in a volcano. This one is a volcano. Look at it. Wow. Oh my God. The chicken goes anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Have you seen? He goes to the volcano now. Can you save the chicken? Okay. Can you say to the chicken? You are in a volcano. Okay, all of you, open your mouth. I. Okay, you are in a volcano. Marine,
You are in what
you
kind
are in a volcano. All of you, open your mouth. You are in a volcano.
You guys is the better.
Volcano.
Volcano.
Okay. Yeah, you are in a volcano.
You are
Volcano.
Yes, very good. Okay, and the question is, volcanoes are
hot
hot,
Seven Earth.
hot or cold places?
hot ร้อน
This one, volcano is
มันร้อน
hot. Okay, the question here? Okay, Marine, volcanoes is hot places. Okay, volcanoes are hot places. Okay. So have you seen the chicken goes anywhere? Okay, you can answer this one now without my guide. Okay, volcanoes are hot places. Okay. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, so you know already? You know already?
Yeah.
yes
Yeah.
Okay, so for your worksheet, have you seen your worksheet? Have you seen your worksheet? Okay, that is that. You have to draw that. You have to color that picture and color it nicely, okay? Clean, nice, and make it beautiful. Okay, like the chicken. The chicken goes anywhere. Okay, that is also a place.
ทำให้ระบายสีอยู่
You have to draw the picture if you don't have. You have to draw the picture, the worksheet. If you don't have it, okay, you can just
chicken.
you are in the
chicken. No, you have to draw. We have a worksheet that I sent in our.
with
Follow the picture. Show it, Papa. Can you share your worksheet with Papa?
wait
Okay. Oh, this one is dry.
Shadow what?
Okay, huh?
Shadow
Dry.
what? อ๋อ อันนี้ข้อต่อไปค่ะ
Yes, yeah. Okay, so you know already. You have to follow that picture, okay?
แล้วก็ส่งอันของ
You have to color that picture, okay? Look at this one.
Teacher Carol.
You did not print your worksheet, Proud.
ระบายสีอะไรเราไม่มีระบายหรอกเราอยู่ได้แค่นี้
By Boa, can you
เราไม่มีใบ
see
งาน
your worksheet? I want to see your worksheet by
เรื่
Boa.
องเขียนเอาลองให้เอา
Okay, that is the one. That is the one by Boa. By Boa. Okay, that is the one.
ไม่ใช่
By
ต้อง
Boa
ทำเอง
showing
จะไม่เขาออก
her worksheet.
ฟังที่เชื่อบอกอะไรนาฬิกาแม่ตอบมาให้ดู
This one by Boa finish. By Boa finish already.
ฟัง
I sent I sent this worksheet in our line group. Okay? If you can print it,
ถามที่เที่ยวว่า
already has the color this one. This one, Marine. This one. Have you sent? Look at my boa. Look at my boa. You don't have this one? Okay, you can see this one in our line group, Marine. I sent this one in our line group. You have to print this one. This one. You print this one. If you cannot print, Marine, you can just draw it. You also don't have? You have yes, you have to print this one. I sent this one in our line group. No, you have to print it. If you cannot go out, just draw it, Marine. Just draw it. You know how to draw, right? Yes.
Okay, I know.
Yeah. Very good.
I know.
Yeah, just draw it. I sent it in our line. You can see that worksheet in our line. You can draw it, Marine, right? Yes, you can draw it. You can draw it, Proud.
And flower.
Yes. Draw it. Just draw it and show it to me, okay? Send it in our, after you finish that one, you have to after you finish, you have to our group, okay? Okay, so have you said by about
กลุ่มมันมีแต่ของเรามันเปิดมันได้มันไม่มี
you finished coloring it already, Marine, okay? You
มัน
have
จะทำยังไงออกมาได้อะ
Marine, just draw it, Marine, okay? Okay, very good. Also, Proud, you have to draw it, Proud, okay? It's very easy. A rainbow, you just do the rainbow and the flowers like that, the trees, okay? Okay, just draw it, and I know you can do it. So, this is
write and color.
Yeah, draw and color. You have to draw. After you draw, you have to color it.
I know.
Okay.
Teacher, I want
Make it beautiful.
Teacher.
Yes.
I beat tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Just
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is
I write.
we don't have class tomorrow, so you have a lot of time, okay? So thank you so much.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. K3, and I'll see you in have math, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
And bye for now. I will see you in our math class. Okay? Bye. Heart time first. Heart time. Okay. Love you, K3. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.